Looking for the perfect hanging basket plants for your garden? The joy of adding a splash of color and life to your garden with hanging baskets. They're not just pretty to look at, but also a fantastic way to maximize space and create a captivating display. In this video, we're going to take a stroll down the garden path and discuss the top 9 hanging basket plants. These aren't just any plants, mind you. These are the best of the best, the creme de la creme. From the radiant begonias to the vibrant nasturtiums, we've got a botanical buffet of choices for you. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 9 picks for the best hanging basket plants. Starting off the list at number 9, we have begonias. These plants are a sight to behold, with their vibrant colors that range from deep reds to bright yellows, soft pinks, and even whites. The flowers bloom in abundance, creating a lush, full look that's perfect for hanging baskets. But the beauty of begonias is not just skin deep. These plants are as sturdy as they are stunning. They are relatively easy to care for, requiring moderate watering and indirect sunlight. This makes them ideal for both seasoned gardeners and beginners who are just dipping their toes into the world of gardening. What's more, begonias bloom throughout the summer, providing a pop of color when many other plants have stopped flowering. And if you're worried about space, fret not. These plants are compact, making them perfect for small patios or balconies where space is at a premium. With their stunning blooms and low maintenance, begonias are an excellent choice for any garden. Next up at number 8, we have fuchsias. Known for their unique beauty and spectacular hanging flowers, fuchsias are indeed a sight to behold. These stunning blooms, often in vibrant hues of pink, purple, and white, are sure to captivate anyone's attention. Fuchsias are not only about beauty, they're also about resilience. These plants are incredibly hardy, able to thrive in both full sun and partial shade. However, they do require a well-drained soil and regular watering to keep them looking their best. To encourage more blooms, it's a good practice to pinch out the tips of the plants. This simple act promotes bushier growth and, subsequently, more flowers. In winter, move your fuchsias to a frost-free place to protect them from the cold, and they'll be ready to dazzle again come spring. Fuchsias are also versatile, fitting perfectly in hanging baskets, pots, or even directly in the garden. Their cascading branches full of blossoms create a waterfall of color that's hard to miss. Fuchsias with their eye-catching flowers are sure to be a standout in any garden. Coming in at number 7, we have petunias. This delightful blossom is a favorite among garden enthusiasts for good reason. Petunias are renowned for their captivating beauty and their wide array of colors. From the softest pastels to the most vibrant hues, there's a petunia to suit every aesthetic. Not only are they visually stunning, but petunias are also known for their hardy nature. These flowers are not fussy, thriving in both full sun and partial shade. They're tolerant to various weather conditions, making them an ideal pick for those who are new to gardening or those who are looking for low-maintenance plants. Another notable feature of petunias is their prolonged blooming period. With proper care, these flowers can grace your garden with their beauty from early spring until the first frost. This means you can enjoy their vibrant colors for an extended period, providing a cheerful ambiance to your outdoor space. When it comes to care instructions, petunias are pretty straightforward. They enjoy being watered regularly, but don't overdo it, as they don't like overly wet soil. A little bit of fertilizer can also go a long way in boosting their growth and flower production. In conclusion, petunias are a classic choice that brings a lovely pop of color to any garden. Their resilience and easy care make them an excellent addition to your hanging basket collection. At number 6, we have Bacopa. This plant is a true gem in the world of hanging basket flora. Bacopa, with its trailing habit, is perfectly suited for hanging baskets, adding a cascade of greenery that can be admired from all angles. Now, what truly sets Bacopa apart are its small star-shaped flowers. These tiny stars come in shades of white, pink, or blue, and cover the plant throughout the growing season, creating a carpet of color that is simply delightful to behold. They're not just beautiful but also hardy, thriving in a variety of conditions. Bacopa prefers moist, well-drained soil and can flourish in both full sun and partial shade. This makes it a versatile choice for different locations around your garden or patio. And if you're looking for a plant that's low maintenance, Bacopa is a great choice. With just a little care, it will reward you with a profusion of blooms that lasts all summer long. Bacopa is a beautiful choice that adds a delicate touch to your hanging baskets. Moving on to number 5, we have Lobelia. This plant is a show stealer with its vibrant blue flowers that seem to paint the sky on your garden canvas. The richness of its color can make any corner of your garden pop with a refreshing burst of azure. But Lobelia doesn't just stop at being a visual delight. It's also a practical choice for your hanging basket. Known for its trailing growth habit, Lobelia cascades beautifully, creating a stunning waterfall of blue. This makes it an ideal choice for hanging baskets, as it can overflow the edges with a profusion of blooms, turning an ordinary basket into a floating blue cloud. And there's more to it. Lobelia is a robust plant, fairly easy to grow and maintain, making it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. This plant is not just about the looks, it's about bringing an element of beauty and simplicity to your garden. With their abundant blooms, Lobelia is a perfect choice for adding a burst of blue to your garden. Next on the list at number 4, we have Calibrachoa. This plant is truly unique in its own right, bringing a sea of miniature bell-shaped flowers to your hanging baskets. Each flower, a tiny spectacle of beauty, contributes to the overall allure of Calibrachoa. But the beauty of this plant doesn't stop at its blossoms. Take a closer look and you'll notice Calibrachoa's trailing growth habit. This characteristic makes it an excellent choice for hanging baskets. As the plant matures, its stems cascade down, creating a stunning visual effect of a waterfall of flowers, a sight that's sure to turn heads and spark conversations. The Calibrachoa is a robust plant too. It's not fussy and can tolerate a variety of conditions, so whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, you can enjoy the beauty of Calibrachoa without worrying too much about its upkeep. So there you have it. Calibrachoa, with their profusion of flowers, are a delightful addition to any hanging basket. At number 3, we have geraniums. These delightful plants are a must-have in any hanging basket. Geraniums are famous for their large, vibrant flowers that bloom in a variety of colors, including red, pink, white, and even bicolor. These bold blossoms with their rich hues not only add a pop of color to any setting but also serve as a magnet for butterflies, adding another layer of beauty to your garden. But the beauty of geraniums isn't just skin deep. They're not just pretty faces. These plants are also known for their resilience and easy care. Geraniums are sun-loving plants that can withstand hot, dry conditions. They're quite low maintenance, requiring only regular watering and occasional feeding. So if you're looking for a hanging basket plant that offers both beauty and ease of care, geraniums are a perfect choice. Geraniums, with their bold and bright flowers, are sure to catch anyone's eye. Coming in at number 2, we have Osteospermums. These radiant plants, often known as African daisies, bring a touch of the exotic to your hanging baskets. With their daisy-like flowers, Osteospermums are a true delight. They offer a beautiful array of colors, from white and yellow to pink and purple, each bloom displaying a stunning, unique pattern. But it isn't just their beauty that earns them a spot on the list. Osteospermums are also known for their trailing growth habit. This makes them an ideal candidate for hanging baskets as they spill over the edges, creating a cascade of color that can't be ignored. What's more, these plants are remarkably easy to care for. They love the sun and can tolerate a bit of drought, making them a low-maintenance choice for those with a busy lifestyle. So, if you're looking to add a burst of color and beauty to your outdoor space, Osteospermums are a fantastic option. Osteospermums, with their cheerful flowers, are a great way to brighten up any garden. At number 1, we have Nasturtiums. These vivacious plants are a real showstopper, with their bright round flowers that seem to burst with color and life. But their beauty is not just skin deep. Nasturtiums are more than just a pretty face. They have a trailing growth habit, making them an excellent choice for hanging baskets. Why are they so great, you ask? Well, their trailing stems can reach up to 3 feet in length, providing a lush, cascading effect. They're like a waterfall of blossoms spilling over the side of your basket in a riot of reds, oranges, and yellows. But don't be fooled by their delicate appearance. Nasturtiums are hardy plants able to withstand a range of climates. They're low maintenance too, requiring only basic care to thrive. And there's more. Nasturtiums, with their vibrant blooms, are sure to make a statement in any garden. And there we have it. The top 9 hanging basket plants. We've traveled through a diverse world of vibrant hues and textures, from the delicate blooms of begonias, the flamboyant display of fuchsias, to the brilliant cascades of petunias. We've uncovered the understated beauty of Bacopa, the intricate clusters of Lobelia, and the petite bell-shaped flowers of Calibrachoa. Not forgetting the classic charm of Geraniums, the daisy-like blossoms of Osteospermums, and the fiery spectacle of Nasturtiums. Each plant, a unique masterpiece, contributes to a hanging basket's visual symphony. Remember, these are but a few of the myriad options available to you. The choices are as infinite as your imagination. So why not take a leap and create your own hanging basket masterpiece? We hope this video has inspired you to add some color to your garden with these beautiful hanging basket plants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.